Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here again for another Huaʻōlelo Ka Malama, the Hawaiian words of the month. We've been celebrating Earth Day here at Partners in Development Foundation, Lā Honua. And our word for this week is akua. Akua is the uplands, the mountainous region where spirits and gods dwell, a sacred place. My grandfather would oftentimes tell us, as a way of warning us, when we will go hiking in the mountains, e akahele oi I ka wā akua, mai hana ino, he aina kapu. So, be cautious when traveling the highlands. Refrain from mischievous doings. This land is sacred. We hope that you enjoyed our series in celebrating Earth Day. Lā Honua, from all of us in Partners in Development Foundation, aloha and eola I ka ʻōlelo Hawaii.